Assalamualaikum my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS New School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Machine School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Today's topic is write in number part 2, okay, for the half yearly examination. Today's lecture number is 2. Today's lecture number is 2. I repeat, our topic is write in number part 2. In part 1 we learned already how to write down in number from 1 to 10. Okay. Today we will learn how to write down from 11 to 10 in numbers. Okay. How to write down in numbers from 11 to 20. Dear students, the first number is 11. Okay. In the previous class, we write down 1 to 10. When we write down 10, when we write down the number 10, we need 1 and 0. It makes 10. That means in the ones position, in the right side, it's called ones position. Okay? O means ones position. This O means ones position. Okay? And this one is in tens position. This one is in tens position. T means tens position. Okay, dear students, O means ones position and T means tens position. That means 1, 10 and 0 ones make a number which is 10. Okay, 1 and 0 makes 10. 1 is in tens position and 0 is in ones position. That's why it's make the number 10. Okay, now this way we should write down all the numbers from 11 to 20. The first number we need to write down 11. Okay. That means we need to write down the tens position number and the ones position number. In ones position, we need to write down 1 because after 0, when we write down 10, we get 1 and 0, it's 10. After 0, we can get the number 1. Okay, 1 is in ones position and in the tens position, we need to write down 1. It's make 11. So 1 and 1, it makes 11. Okay, it is the number 11. After 11, the number comes which is 12. To write down 12, look very carefully. We need to write down in the ones position the number 2. And in the tens position, we need to write down 1. That means after 1, we have the number 2 in the ones position. Okay? And 1 and 2 makes the number 12. I think dear students, you have understood. Now, after 12, the number comes which is 13. To write down 13, look. In the ones position, we should write down the number 3 because after 2, the number comes which is 3. In the ones position, we should write down the number 3. And in the tens position, we should write down 1 again. So 1 and 3 makes the number 13. After 13, the number comes which is 14. To write down 14, we need to write down in the ones position the number 4. Because after 3, the number comes which is 4. Okay? And in the tens position, we write down 1 again. So 1 and 4 makes 14. Now the number we need to write down is 15. So to write down 15 in the ones position, we write down 5. Yes, we write down 5 because after 4 we have 5, the number 5. And in the tens position, we need to write down again the number 1. So 1 and 5 makes the number 15. In this process, we will write down the number 16. So tens ones. In the ones position, we should have 6. And in the tens position, we need to write down 1. Okay, it makes 16. Look, dear students, while we write down 16, we need to write down very carefully the number 6. If you write down like this, it's not the 16 because this is not the number 6. Okay, in the ones position, we write down 6. 6 is like this. And in the tens position, we write down 1. Okay, so 1 and 6 makes 16. Now the next number is 17. To write down 17, in the ones position we have 7 and in the tens position we have 1. So 1 and 7 makes 17. After that, the number comes which is 18. Okay, 18 is how to write down. After 7, the number comes which is 8. Okay, so in the ones position we write down 8 and in the tens position we have 1. So 1 and 8 makes 18. Okay. The next number is 19. It's similar process. In the ones position, we need to write down 9 because 9 comes after 8. So 9 in the ones position. Now tens position we have 1 again. So it's 1 and 9 makes 19. Now the last number is 20. The last number is how much? 20. Look, dear students, after 9 which number comes? Yes, after 9, when we write down 9, after 9 we had write down already 10. So 1 and 0 makes 10. That means after 9 it comes 0. And in the tens position the number will increase. The tens position the number will increase. So after 9 we will write down 0 in the ones position. After 9 we will write down 0 in the ones position. And the tens position number will increase by 1. So it was 1 in the tens position, it will be now 2. Okay? 2 in the tens position, 0 in the ones position. That means 2 and 0 makes 20. So the numbers I repeat again. This is 1 and 1 makes 11, 1 and 2 makes 12, 1 and 3 makes 13, 1 and 4 makes 14, 1 in the tens position, 5 in the ones position makes 15. It is 16. Dear students, write down 6 like this way, okay? 1 and 6 makes 16, 1 and 7 makes 17, 1 8 makes 18, 1 in the tens position, 9 in the ones position, it makes 19. After 19, in the tens position, the number will increase by 1, and in the ones position, it will be 0. So 2 and 0 makes 20. Dear students, today you have also no homework. That doesn't mean that you no need to practice at home. Please practice more and more at home. Okay? Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Allah Hafiz.